Hi everyone, in this video I will show you two easy ways to record screen on Windows using Xbox Game Bar and ActivePresenter. Whether you need to record software tutorials or work presentations, these tools will help you get the job done quickly. And I also will point out all the pros and cons of these tools for you to decide. Let's jump right into it.
For example, I have a screen window here, and if I want to enable Xbox Game Bar to record, I will press Win G, and you will see this is the toolbar of Xbox Game Bar, and we will press widget menu, choose capture, and you will see that is for taking screenshot. For example, click it, so it will save. And if I want to record my screen, I will hit the button here or press Win on R to start recording. And you will see in the status in here, it means my window now is recorded. So I will scroll it a little bit, and when end, I will press stop recording. And my task now is finished. And this is the gallery. It has all the video that I have recorded before. You can change the file name or open the file location. This contains all the screenshots and video you have recorded in Xbox Game Bar.
Though this method is quick and it doesn't need an extra software, it's really simple. You just need to press the shortcut and hit the recording button. However, it has no custom area selection for recording, only with full screen record, and also it has no editing features. If you need more flexibility, like choose to record a specific recording area, editing or export in multiple formats, let's come to ActivePresenter. This tool lets you record and edit video at the same time. You can download it for free with no time limits for trial use. You go to this website, automatsystem.com. I will put the link in the description box to download it. For now, you can use it to create e-learning courses as well as record screen and edit video with no time limit.
From screen recording, including screen, webcam, and audio, you just have to start recording. When finished, the recorded video won't be available on Workspace. The timeline pane is served already, and you can explore them at your disposal. It includes, but not limited to, cut, delete, split, insert time, speed up, and more. Whatsoever, with a long video, if you want to manage easier, you can even split video into slides like this and continue to edit if you want. I really like this feature personally. For export, with no worries, you can export a small part like a slide into video like this, or export the whole project to a video like this. Change the resolution, and you can export with any types of formats provided here.
To sum up, ActivePresenter allows you to record a specific part of the screen, editing and export it in multiple formats. However, it is still an extra software, but it is very lightweight and you can download it for free for trial use with no time limit. And that's it. Xbox Game Bar is perfect for quick recordings, while ActivePresenter offers more features if you need editing tools. You can try them out and let me know which one you prefer in the comments. Last but not least, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.